Hi, to our class we are going to learn drafted filleted pocket. It is same as drafted filleted pad. The difference is same. Remove the material. Just keep one thing in mind. Pocket means removing material. Pad means adding the material. That's it. The remaining operations, whatever the options are there in pad and pocket, both are same. Okay. Now let's see. I want to increase this object height. Here up to 2200 mm I am increasing. Preview and go for sketch. Exit workbench. Preview. Okay. Is it 200 mm? Oh. Then we can consider as 500 also for better visibility. I selected 500. Okay, this is the pad option. Now I want to use drafted filleted pocket. So for that we need sketch. So select this plane and sketch. Here I am using hexagon. Okay, exit workbench. Now select the drafted filleted pocket. So select the plane. Here depth is 500. The total depth of this object is 500 mm. So we need some space at the bottom of the object. So here I am choosing 300 mm. Okay, draft angle same. In previous class we have learned about the drafted filleted pad. Same as it is here also, but the difference is it is remove the material. Okay, so here I am choosing 8 degrees, or else we can choose 12 degrees. Here it is 5 mm, means here I am using 8 mm, 10 mm and 12 mm. Again see here, now I am using drafted filleted pocket, but here 3 edge fillets and one draft angle, and another one is pad or pocket option. These 4 options are presented in one tool, that is nothing but drafted filleted pocket definition. Okay, let's check it out. Preview. Okay, see, this is the option. Let's see in wireframe. Here we can check it out clearly. See how it is. It is nothing but angle. I am selected 15 degrees angle. That is a 15 degrees angle. Here it is. Okay. Smooth finishing. Okay, this is the drafted filleted pocket. The same thing what I have learned in previous previous drafted filleted pad. The same options also presented here. Only thing is here is pocket. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching CATIA tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.